Hallo liebe Leute and welcome to today's video. It is a little follow-up of our transmission oil change, which we knew wasn't perfect.
Hey, how is it going? I'm a traveler from Finland who wanted to share adventures, technical challenges and the fun of living in a self-made campervan. Welcome aboard!
We have never owned a car that doesn't leak at some point. It has become a routine to crawl underneath the vehicle and see how the components are doing, and whether there is something urgent to fix.
This is from the front right corner, which is leaking a bit. Especially when you drive in the rain and the water mixes up with the oil, it looks more dramatical than it is. It has been leaking only with few drops, but for the first time we saw that after our drive in the heavy rain, there has been some spots of oil and water mixture. The leaking is becoming worse.
And it's coming from the gearbox.
So our plan is that we are going to change these original aluminum attachment bolts with normal bolts of the same size. This was suggested in a few of the videos I have seen, and it is okay when we torque them to, for example, 10 Newton meters. Let's hope that it will stop the leaking and we will be able to drive until the next gearbox oil change. Now we have installed new attachment bolts. They are a little bit different material. But here's the problem. You can see a little gap between the gasket and the transmission oil pan.
Filming with the smartphone revealed that with the increased tightness of the attachment bolts, it was easier to see our mistake with the gasket in the front. We had placed the whole automatic transmission, oil pan and the gasket too far away in the front.
Yeah. One of these unhappy moments. It is still leaking quite a lot. It didn't get better despite our efforts. And we need to have a little bit, I don't know, a meeting or discussion how we go forward with this. I was supposed to go on a van holiday. It is a mess right now. I have just tossed everything inside because I was supposed to organize the van for the next trip. But apparently it is not happening right now. Hopefully it will happen later. Oh my days. I need professional help. I have made an appointment to the local Mercedes-Benz workshop, and I hope that they will be able to change the transmission oil again and apply a new gasket. This wasn't perfect. Of many of our own repairs, I didn't guess that this oil change would be the one that we need to ask for help. Sometimes it is like this, but it is okay. Good morning. 500 euros of learning money was a lot, and I'm not happy about it. But when you are able to wake up in the morning like this, it again feels worth it.
Thank you so much for watching. If you liked what you saw, please subscribe, like and share. See you next time.